Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. Starting with LME 3-month copper. An immediate countering bearish arami yesterday after the previous session's bullish double and earlier session's strange combination of being at once an indecisive spinning top at the height of the very recent market, and also a bearish dark cloud cover pattern, all at the same time. Overall, the market is still capped by the first of the trinity of overhead congestion levels of 9160, then 9305 and 9605. Meanwhile, below, the recent early February to date uptrend, currently at 9,000, has provided interesting support in the move up. The market seems to be getting squished in between those two forces. As I said yesterday, and I quote, "This situation will not last for long as the uptrend crosses 9160 next week," end of quote. Remember, all this is taking place in the shadow of the 9,000 Gann number. So far today, a follow-on lower. Well, at the start of it was, as prices opened on the uptrend and then heavily penetrated it on the downside, but turned back up, all the way to the broken uptrend again, as the move down was halted and volleyed back up when prices approached the extension of the bullish continuation roof pattern from the turn of the year. LME 3-month aluminium. A fifth countering bearish dark cloud cover pattern yesterday. This after the previous session's new recent high. Not what the bulls out there would like to see at the top of the market, or at the recent market. Interesting, the market opened over the very important 61.8% Fibonacci line of the big 2018-2020 move at 2236, but then spent more time underneath it. This 61.8% Fibonacci level has been, and still is, important. It helped form the basis of an earlier possible double top over late February to early March, which has now morphed into maybe an ascending triangle pattern, or possibly a triple top, though the former seems more plausible. Back to the ascending triangle. The potential topside target X for such a pattern would be in the 2343 area. Meanwhile, the downside target would depend on where the break of the uptrend, currently 2142, would happen. So let's just assume there was a breakdown through it, the uptrend today. Well, that would give a potential downside target X1 in the 2087 area. Of course, this potential target X1 will rise as the uptrend rises. So far today, a follow-on lower, all the way down to the short moving average, currently at 2189, where prices rebounded to actually move up on the day. It's looking like a small bullish harami right now, or perhaps a higher, yet still indecisive spinning top, or possibly a hammer. Thank you for listening to me. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.